mini excavator using 3-cylinder water-cooled engine and fully upgraded hydraulic system, lower fuel consumption, higher productivity, hydraulic pilot, bringing more comfortable and smoother operating experience. Tail-shaped design, adapt to a harsh working environment. Has a more stable body, ensuring construction safety. More stringent material selection, using better 3 filters and hydraulic pumps, which extend the service life and reduce repair and maintenance costs. This excavator can split the mountain. It also can dig in the canal. Realize versatility for amphibious use. One-set machine can be customized, regardless of configuration, auxiliary equipment, or color. We will 100% meet your needs.